Hey guys, today we're going to do a pretty simple cook. We're going to do I think they call them Moink Balls. They are cheese stuffed bacon wrapped meatballs. And they're really simple to do and they taste amazing. I cook them on my Traeger grills and they come off awesome. So the first thing you want to do is get yourself some bacon, make sure it's thawed out. Cut yourself some cheese, whatever cheese you like. I went with old cheddar, and then I got some 80/20 ground beef here. So then you get your seasonings ready, and all right, let's get started. So what I like to do first is season the inside of the meatballs. I flattened them down so then they can take a little more seasoning. So we'll just make sure each one gets a nice amount, and you can use your any type of favorite seasoning. I like to mix it up a little bit. I'm using the Caribbean Big and Bold rub, and then next thing you want to do is grab one piece of cheese and place it in the middle, and we'll do that for each one. And make it pretty simple. Like I said, it's a really simple recipe, but it is awesome. And if you're doing like a Super Bowl party or anything like that, this will it goes over really, really well. All right, so then the next step would be grabbing them and literally just turning them into meatballs now. So grab them and press them at the top like that, and then you can kind of actually start to form them into little meatballs. And then what I like to do at the very end is season them a little bit, each one with, those are my two favorite rubs to mix together right now anyways, is the Traeger Coffee and the Traeger Big Game Rub. Nice salty flavor, peppery, a little bit of depth of flavor in that Big Game Rub. Really, really nice. And then at the end, then we'll wrap them in the bacon. And that does not need any seasoning. Bacon has enough flavor, so. Last one here, so make sure it's nice and round and cheese is right in the middle there. Okay, so now I'll grab my two seasonings and I'll just season over the top. That's it, really, nothing special. Flip them over, get them on both sides, and then we'll do the same with the other rub there. You don't have to put too much of this on because we are, like I said, hitting it with 3 different kinds between the inside and the top here. And so now we'll hit them with the big game blend, which I really like this one on beef. I'm sure it's good on everything, but I'm a big fan of it on the beef. Alright, so that's all done. So now I'm just going to take my knife, because I just don't think that we need to use a whole piece of bacon around one little meatball. So we're just going to take them, and make sure you have a good knife. I have amazing knives. I've got my Cutco knives. They're my absolute favorite. Other than my actual Traeger stuff, it's probably my second favorite thing that I've got in the kitchen. So then just nicely, you can just roll it. And it's going to be sitting right on this sheet pan here, the grated one, while on the grill. So just roll it right on here, nice and tight, and place it on top of the bottom, and that's exactly how it's going to cook. So that's simple enough. So we will do the next one here. Like I said, we'll just roll it up nice. There we go. Place that one like so, and we'll do the rest of them like the exact same way, and then we'll get them out to the grill. All right, now I've got the Traeger preheated at 350 degrees. So we're gonna go throw these on the grill, and we'll throw them on this handy little tray right here. I don't like to put them on a cookie sheet because I find the bottom it doesn't get the bacon crispy, it doesn't get the smoke all the way around it, and it should take about a half hour to 45 minutes. Let's get them out to the grill, guys. So they're off the grill. I checked them. They were at about 160, 165. So they will come up in temperature a little bit. So let's slice into one. Let's see how we did. Let's grab this guy right here. This is probably my favorite part. I love the slice. Let's open her up. Oh yeah. Just cheesy beauty. Yummy. Perfect. It is cooked very nice.